Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush and vibrant forest, there lived two mischievous rabbits named Binky and Whiskers. Binky was a chubby little fellow with floppy ears that always seemed to be listening for trouble, while Whiskers was sleek and agile, with a penchant for daring adventures. Together, they formed an inseparable duo, known throughout the woodland for their antics and laughter. One sunny morning, as the dew glistened on the grass and birds chirped merrily in the trees, Binky and Whiskers were lounging lazily by a babbling brook, contemplating their next great escapade. Suddenly, Whiskers sat up with a gleam in his eye. "I've got it, Binky!" he exclaimed, his whiskers twitching with excitement. "Let's sneak into Farmer McGregor's garden and swipe some of his prized carrots." Binky's eyes widened at the suggestion, but he couldn't resist the allure of the crunchy orange vegetables. "But how will we get past old McGregor and his watchful dog, Rufus?" he asked, his nose twitching nervously. Whiskers flashed a mischievous grin. "Leave that to me, old friend. I have a plan." And with that, the two rabbits hopped off towards Farmer McGregor's garden, their hearts racing with anticipation. As they approached the garden, they spotted old McGregor toiling away among his rows of vegetables, his faithful dog Rufus snoozing nearby. Whiskers nudged Binky and whispered, "Follow my lead." Bounding forward with all the grace of a ballet dancer, Whiskers performed a series of intricate jumps and somersaults, distracting old McGregor with his dazzling display. Meanwhile, Binky tiptoed stealthily through the rows of vegetables, his chubby frame surprisingly nimble as he snatched up carrots left and right. Just as they were about to make their escape, Rufus stirred from his slumber, his ears pricking up at the sound of rustling leaves. With a yell, and so, with their bellies full of stolen carrots and their hearts brimming with excitement, Binky and Whiskers continued their journey through the forest, ready to embark on whatever hilariously harebrained scheme awaited them next.